done here, signed in, ready to fucking go, man. I'm so keen, absolutely G'd. I mean, usually G'd for every event that we go to, but this is a first. This is super exciting, so. What do you do, mate? Pumped to get out. One drive ahead. Okay. That's about it. Yeah, okay.
Heaps and music.
Hey man, what's going on? Just making load decisions.
I'm so glad I got that.
Consider that resolved, mate. Let's go. Keep going. We Gucci. We filled up on all the fat shit over at Macca's and feeling like fat shits ourselves, but we're ready for a bit over 4 hours of travel time. Finally arriving at the property. There's Jesse getting stuck right into it as we go into the Airbnb for the night. Keen as for Raleigh in the morning. Bit of a tough place to find, but here we are. Hey guys, it's now the next morning, so follow us along with some Aylas Drift McMuffin Motorsport. Let's get some breakfast into us. We're packed, trailer's all pumped up, and keen to see what Raleigh's like for the first time. All done here, signed in, ready to fucking go, man. I'm so keen, absolutely G'd. I mean, usually G'd for every event that we go to, but this is a first. This is super exciting, so. So that's the end of track time for there for a little while. Looks like one of the drivers has put it on its roof somewhere. It's really shit. Looks like they're all okay, them and their passengers, which is great. But yeah, it's going to take a little while before we can get back out there after they clear the track. So, you know, guess we'll get a cheeky snag and kick it for a while. That's it for the adventure up to Raleigh Raceway. Car went fantastic. I learned heaps out here. It was pretty tough, especially at the beginning, getting more confident towards the end. But the track conditions also changed quite a bit with heaps of cars winning it towards the end, so that made things a little spicy and slower. But keen to come out for next time and progress and keep learning. So thanks for watching today.